This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by drying and portioning the chicken so coatings stick evenly. Once the pieces are ready, set 3 stations: seasoned flour, beaten eggs, and breadcrumbs. Use a shallow pan for each. Dredge in flour first to create a dry surface, then dip in egg to bind. Press into breadcrumbs firmly so they form an even shell. Make sure to let coated pieces rest briefly on a wire rack. This starts adhesion and reduces loss of crumbs in the oil. Once oil reaches the target temperature, gently lower one piece at a time to avoid splatter and a sudden temp drop. Fry in small batches so the oil recovers quickly. Crowded pans produce soggy coatings. Turn pieces once or twice to brown all sides evenly, and monitor color as your visual cue while relying on an instant thermometer for safety. If the exterior browns too fast, lower heat a bit to finish cooking through without burning the crumbs. This balances crispness with proper doneness. To finish, transfer fried chicken to a wire rack over a sheet pan so air circulates and the crust stays crisp. Rest about 5 minutes to let juices redistribute. If holding several batches, keep them in a low oven to maintain texture without steaming. If a crust peels or falls during frying, remove, press additional breadcrumbs onto the damp spot, and give a quick refry at lower heat to seal. This repairs adhesion without overcooking the meat, ensuring a consistent crunchy result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.